on gingerbread, and joining us now is corporate wellness nutritionist Jessie Lane Lee to share 3 different ways to enjoy this classic holiday flavor. Good to see you.
You too.
This is the season of the gingerbread.
It is. I am obsessed with gingerbread. As soon as like the pumpkin spice is out of the way, it's all about gingerbread.
Right, and you're starting us off with a smoothie, which is a great way to start the morning.
Yes, exactly. So we're gonna start with a gingerbread cookie smoothie.
Okay.
Because we all love gingerbread. So the first thing I add here is any milk you like. I did oat milk.
Okay.
And then if you want, you can put the spinach in.
All right, am I putting like the full?
The whole thing.
The whole shebang.
Because guess what? You're not gonna taste it. That is my secret
Are you
ingredient.
sure?
I promise you.
I will taste it and I will let you know.
Baby spinach just blends right up smooth.
Okay,
so
great.
It's great. Okay, then we're also adding hemp seeds. This is our protein.
I love that.
If you like a protein powder, you can put that in there too.
Okay.
And then can you do a little bit of cinnamon? And I'm gonna do the star of the show today, the molasses.
You know what we need?
It's cold in the
We
studio.
need a spoon.
Doesn't want to come
Let's
out.
get in there.
Oh, it's coming, it's coming.
And we go to break. No, just
So
kidding.
is
It's
molasses
fine.
on a cold day. It's all the health benefits in there. So this is blackstrap molasses. So it has lots of iron and it is so good for our energy levels.
Amazing. How much cinnamon are we doing?
Oh, that's good. Just like a little explosion there.
That's just, can we just a little
Oh
squish
yeah,
more?
go.
Because
Yeah.
this is great for inflammation, right?
It is.
We
Cinnamon's
love that.
fantastic and it's good for blood sugar as well.
That's great.
Okay, now we're adding ginger.
So this is a
I
shout out
think
to
ginger.
Devo. Devo eats ginger every single day.
Which is amazing.
I know. He eats it every day and he's a healthy guy.
It has amazing anti-inflammatory benefits.
Mhm.
Now we're gonna add a banana. Now normally I would do a frozen banana, but it just is too noisy to blend a frozen banana, so
Yeah.
we're going
We're
non-frozen
gonna do
today.
this. Okay.
Yeah. And then last but not least, because they're gingerbread cookies, we need
Yes.
a little bit of vanilla. All the measurements are on my website, and I think you have them too, so
Yes.
everybody can follow along. And then we blend it till smooth, so it's gonna be a little bit loud.
Are you putting any ice in there? I know you said that we could do the banana and it could be frozen. But if you don't have a frozen one, is it okay if you go with a little bit of ice or will that be a little bit too much?
Yes, it is fantastic with ice, so I would definitely recommend ice for sure. I find when it's not, again, for TV I want it to be smooth, but I don't want it to be really noisy, so I did okay. You can throw in ice, you can throw in frozen banana. It is fantastic, and you'll notice we didn't add any sugar. So we're getting enough sweetness from the blackstrap molasses and from the banana in there, and it's kind of like a fun
I'm gonna
greenish
have a taste.
color. Please do. I'll have some too. Let me know what you think.
Oh, that tastes like a holiday.
Holiday.
It is good.
All day for breakfast.
Cheers. I will do
Cheers.
that. Can you tell me about these healthy men over here that you have placed on the counter?
Oh yes, I love my healthy men. These are my healthy gingerbread men, and what's great about them, they're lower in sugar. So I've used date paste, so dates blended up with some water to sweeten them. And the bonus we get there is we get fiber, which is so great.
Can I grab a man?
Oh my gosh, please do.
Perfect.
These are so good. So not only can you enjoy these as a treat, I like to have them with my mid-morning tea at like 10 a.m.
That is delish McGish. I really like
Yay,
that.
thank
That's
you.
good. Now, one of the things I saw was you pairing ginger with quinoa.
I know.
I'm curious, and I'm not
Yeah.
sold yet. I'm gonna be
That's-
real honest. I'm not so sure.
Yeah, so quinoa is not just for dinner. We can totally have it for breakfast. Think an oatmeal, but
Okay.
quinoa instead. So what we've done here is we've done all the traditional gingerbread flavors. So we've got ginger in there, we've got the molasses in there, maple syrup to sweeten, cooked it with some almond oat milk, and then I like to decorate a little bit. There's cranberries, there's pumpkin seeds to give that Christmassy feel, and then you can try
I'm
that
gonna have a
out.
little taste. I've
Have a
got
little
just a couple
taste.
seconds left.
So if you're looking for these recipes, you can go to jessielanewellness.com/Christmas for my free holiday cookbook.
You're the best. Thank you so much, Jessie. We appreciate you. More BT coming up after the break. Okay, that is good.
Yeah?
High five, yeah.
Yay! I'm so glad you like
That's
it.
so good.
And it's cold, so it still worked out.
Yeah, that was great.
Amazing.
That was good. You moved super fast.
Great.
Great.
I gotta get it in.
You did. Awesome.
you,
Thank you so
Cheryl.
much.
That was so fun.
Really appreciate you. That was
We're
great.
clear.
Clear.
Back upstairs.
Thank you.